Okay, as Mother's Day is approaching, let's take a look at animals and their mother-child relationships. As you can see, some of their behaviors are similar to ours. They give their children baths, they give their children hugs, they even kiss their children. Of course, they look for food and feed their children. They teach them how to walk. Well, there are some differences. We generally don't carry our children around by the back of their necks, but we do carry our children, and we love them. We will, when it snows, teach them how to slide down a hill. Kangaroos are a little bit out there. They carry their children around in a pouch. That's above and beyond, but instead of teaching them to walk, they're going to teach their children how to hop. Elephants love to give hugs. They hug their children. They're very maternal. And even parrots like to be together, and they lean into each other to show their affection. So let's look at drawn birds today. We're going to take a look and see if we can draw our family as a bird family. All right, so let's get some pens and papers and some color markers or crayons and get ready to draw. Okay, so I'm going to draw a 3-bird family. First, I'm going to draw a branch, and then I'm going to draw the bodies, 3 big circles for the bodies, and then 3 smaller circles that go right on top for the heads. Then, depending on which way I want the bird facing, I'll point the little triangular beak in that direction. Okay, then I swoop down and put a tail. Now watch this as I color this with a marker. I'm not going to follow all my lines. I'm not going to do the inside circle lines. I'm just going to do the outside of the bird. And that way I get rid of that little line between the body and the head. See how I'm doing that? It's kind of a little trick. Okay, and then notice when I'm doing the tail, I skip the branch. I don't draw the tail because the tail's behind the branch. So I just leave that branch right there. Then I draw wings on each of them, which are just like little arches. And now look at me, I'm erasing all those extra little lines from the circles. And now I've got my birds. I'll put in a branch. I'm making it brown. And now the fun part, you get to come and color your bird in any way you want. You can use one color, you can use 2 colors, you can mix up the colors. So here I'm using the primary colors. So I started with yellow, and I'm putting a little yellow in each of the birds. Then I grabbed some red, and I'm making some red wings on this bird. But on the next bird, maybe I'll make his belly red, because we're all part of a family, so you have a lot of the same coloring. And you can do it any old way. You can have polka dotted birds. You can have spotted birds or striped birds. It doesn't matter. So for the last one, I'm making his head red. So that's fun. One has red wings, one has a red belly, one has a red head. Now I'm going to take purple and make this guy's head purple. Purple's not a primary color, but it's a complementary color to yellow. So it looks really nice with yellow. Now I'm making a tail down here purple. And I'll make the wings on this last guy purple. So however you want to do it. Don't forget, at any time you can pause the video if I'm going too fast and rewind and take a look at it again. So take your time and go slow. Have fun. So if you want to draw this for a nice Mother's Day gift, you can make a picture of you and your mom, or you and your mom, your whole family, or your grandma, and it would make a fantastic gift. You can put as many people on your branch as there are in your family. So right now I did a 3-person, which would be me, my mom, and my dad. But then I also did one of my family with my kids. So me, my husband, and my 3 children. So you could do anything you want. Make sure you're having fun. And thanks again for drawing with me today. I sure hope you enjoyed it. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.